Meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on our local forecast. Our winds today coming from the south. We're tapping into some deeper tropical moisture, and that means we are going to be wet at times today. In fact, we have a good chance for rain, especially closer to the coastline, because that's where all that energy and moisture is sitting offshore. So we will have some showers and storms inland through the day as well, but again, we will have greater coverage closer to the coastline. A high today of 89 degrees, not a ton of sunshine, but we will get some breaks in the clouds at times. And again, this is not a washout, but at times we could have some heavy downpours. And again, because the ground is saturated, we want to watch out for some isolated flooding that could be possible if that rain just sticks around in the wrong places. As we move on through the remainder of the week, we'll have a lower coverage of rain, pretty typical summer weather. And into the holiday weekend, things are looking pretty nice. In fact, we'll have plenty of dry hours, but we'll also have our regular rounds of showers and storms as well.